How to fix Global TV app not working. Let's get started. Launch your settings. The very first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Click on the option of Wi-Fi. Click on the Wi-Fi that you are connected to. Forget this network. Refresh your router, then rejoin it. Likewise, you can switch the network. If you are using Wi-Fi, switch it to cellular data, and in the case you are using cellular data, switch it to Wi-Fi. Once you do that, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Now, scroll down, open this option General, navigate to the option of iPhone storage, make sure you have enough storage in your device, then head towards the app Global TV. Once you find it, open it. Now click on Offload app, click on Offload app. Offloading app clears cache for the app, then click on Reinstall app. Once completion of reinstallation process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Then close this, launch your App Store. At the top, you'll see the search box. Over there, type in the app name, Global TV, and search for it. Once app appears, at the right corner of it, you'll find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Once completion of update process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Lastly, what you have to do is completely delete this app from your device and reinstall it. For that, long press on this app, click on Remove App, click on Delete App, click on Delete. With that, you have just deleted this app from your device. Now you can launch your App Store, search for the app Global TV. Once app appears, install it. By applying all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix Global TV app not working. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.